Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for virtual assistants and remote services business on Durable isn't quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now, create new business. And now enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. And now enter your location and choose your website language. Now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now let's go to the first section of the website, the header. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the site name, also if you want to replace company name with the logo, you can turn this on and upload a file. Here if you want to change the label or add a new label here. Also here if you want to add a link. So that's it. Here if you want to manage your social link settings, and also if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link, and here uh, just put the link. So that's it. If you want to manage or edit the style section, you can edit it from here. So let's save this. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want from here. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section. This is the banner section of the website. You can change this. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, you can just click regenerate and it will be changed. The label here if you want to change it, and here if you want to add the link. So let's save this. The next section is the text and image section. If you want to regenerate the text, or if you want to edit and manage the size or the type of the writing, just click here. If you want to regenerate another image like this, if you want to edit image position, and here if you want to add new label or change it, and if you want to change the link or add a new link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the list section of the website. You can change this, and here if you want to manage your display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here if you want to manage your list items, so also here if you want to add a list item, you can generate image and you can edit the image position. And here if you want to generate the title, or here if you want to generate the content, if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing. So also here if you want to add a new label or add the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the testimonial section of the website. Just click add testimonial. Here you can generate a code or generate by who, and here if you want to upload a file. So that's it. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the gallery of the website. You can change this if you don't like it. Here if you want to generate another image, if you want to upload image from browser, for example like this. For example, let's pick images from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So just put it here and it will be uploaded. Also, if you want to upload from library, from here or from here, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Now let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location, I guess, the location section. Yes, the location section of the website. You can change this. Here, if you want to change the business address, and here, if you want to add additional detail, additional text file, and add the title or the content. So let's close this. The next section is the contact form section. You can regenerate the text. And here, if you want to manage files, and here, if you want to turn this on and custom input labels. So here, if you want to manage this. And here if you want to generate form success message. So that's it. Let's save it and let's move on to the next section. This is the footer, the last section on the website. You can change your business name here if you want to turn this on and replace company name with a logo and upload a file. Here if you want to add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. If you want to turn this on and add a new label or change the label, and here if you want to add the link. So that's it. If you want to turn this on, open link in a new page, or here if you want to manage your social link settings, here if you want to add a channel. So that's it. Let's apply this. If you want to regenerate the content of any section, just select the content and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style of any section, just select the style. Also, if you don't like the entire section, you can change it easy and quick. So if you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. You can delete it from here. So like this. If you want to move it up or move it down like this. So now let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. And now you can publish your website after you designed and edit your business website easy and quick. Now you can publish it and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.